Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today my goal is to learn you about how to create a window pop-up in JavaScript. We will learn about how to create a Windows pop-up using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In front of you, you have this HTML with a div with text about lion and also a picture with this lion female. Okay, my goal is to create when page load uh, to create an pop-up that this pop-up can be closed by the user. I will put a button on this pop-up and user can to close the window. Okay, let's start it. Firstly, I will put uh, a background color to the body. I will put a color for body background color, and now I have this background color because I would like to create a contrast between the pop-up window and this body. Okay, now how to start? Should to create a pop-up. Okay, let's create a pop-up. This pop-up is a div inside with some HTML. No, okay, let's create. This is the pop-up now, div, and inside this div I will put an ID for this div. Let's see, pop-up window ID equal pop-up window, and also I will put a heading tray and some paragraph for rule. Now my pop-up is this div. No, do you see? This is my pop-up. Okay, but I would like to put this pop-up above my text, no, to be over the text, and for this should to change my CSS, should to create a CSS for my pop-up window ID. I will create a CSS with a position fixed, and also should to put over all text. That means z index should to be to 100 or 999 or 1000, sorry. Okay, let's create, and also should to be to center. If you want to center a div in HTML, you should to use this top 15% left 15% or display flex with flex direction, but also are a lot of other approach. Okay, I will create for my pop-up window. This is my pop-up window now, till now, so far. I will put a background color coral, also a color antique white, position fixed, because when user scrolling I would like to be in the same place. My pop-up font size large, width height here is not for responsive design. Do you see is with pixel? If you like to be for responsive design, put RAM or other extensions, not pixels. Here I center my text, and on the window, I center the top from top to 15% here. For left, from here 15% to page here, and also this transform is the center of my pop-up. I put display flex because I would like all children from this pop-up to be to the center, but you can manipulate each one. Padding 20 pixels because I would like to be in all direction 20 pixels. Distance, Z index 1000. This is very important. This Z index, without this Z index you don't create this pop-up. Okay, and now my pop-up looking in this way because I have this Z index, and you see it's over my text. But if I delete this Z index, do you see what happens? It's on the center, but is not above the other divs. Okay, Z index. Okay, now I have these divs that are over my text, but I need a button when user to user to click it if they want to close the element, this pop-up. And I will put also in this pop-up window, no, because I would like to put here a button in pop-up window, and I have this button with text close. Now let me to create a CSS for this button to put in center. You can put in center with margin and 0 auto. Okay, CSS here, you put in center with margin 0 pixel auto. And now looking in this way my pop-up, if I click here nothing happens because I don't write other code in my JavaScript, in my script. Just with JavaScript you can manipulate element. Okay, now I would like to create some code for close this this pop-up, and also this pop-up I would like to occur on my web page after 3 seconds from loading. Okay, with this I will use a set timeout for waiting 3 seconds, and for close probably with display none this div, this pop-up. But should you think this logic for this JavaScript? Okay, we should to initially to hide the element with ID pop-up window. That means the element of pop windows, no, and I use this till display equal none. Now my okay, let me to put here I hide the pop-up window. Okay, good. And in a function should to should to display this pop-up, but we'll create a logic to check if my pop-up was displayed, because if I put if my function will be triggered on each load, that means when I have a restart from a button or a refresh also appear, and I don't want this. I want to check if was display my pop-up and just at the beginning to be displayed. For this I will create a variable let pop-up shown, and initially I will put it to false. That means my pop-up initially when the browser when are loading my web page, initially this pop-up shown is false, because initially don't appear this pop-up. Okay, and now I will create a function display pop-up. Okay, and I put here a condition. If this variable pop-up shown negation in front of this pop-up shown, that means when pop-up shown is false, that means here if true, no, and this if will be triggered just when is true. That means when my pop-up shown is displayed. Initially is false, and initially will be displayed, because opposite of pop shown, opposite of false is true, and will be displayed. But of the second render of browser, here I will have true, because I will set in this function true. The see here pop-up shown, this I will set it to true inside my function, and now I have this true, and when come in the second render, my browser render the web page for second time, I have true. That means opposite of true is false, and this if will not be executed, just firstly. Okay, and I display also this pop-up window. You can put inline, I put flex. Okay, and that was all. And nothing happens. Why? Because should to call this function, and this function display pop-up, and this function I didn't call anywhere. I will call into inside of set timeout, because I would like this function to be triggered after 3 seconds. Okay, here in this set timeout I will call my function after 3 seconds, and now 1 2 3, and appear my pop-up close. Nothing happens because I didn't put an add event listener to close button. Now I will put this add event listener, and in this add event listener I will put my window to display none, because I would like to hide this pop-up window. 1 2 3, close. Okay, again the web page load, and now 1 2 3, and it's okay. That was all for today. All the best. Have a nice day.